Today, we are diving into three of the best rising penny stocks to buy according to hedge funds that have the potential to make you rich. These are not random stocks picked out of thin air, but stocks backed with solid fundamentals, strong financial performance, growth opportunities, and most importantly, the interest of Wall Street. So if you are serious about making money in the stock market, make sure to watch until the end and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market. First on our list is Galiano Gold Inc, trading under the ticker GU on the NYSE American Exchange. Galiano Gold is an established player in the gold mining sector, a sector that continues to attract investors due to its role as both a hedge against inflation and a store of long-term value. The company operates the Asanko Gold Mine in Ghana, a project that includes multiple open-pit deposits and a state-of-the-art processing plant. Ghana is a mining-friendly jurisdiction often referred to as the Gold Coast because of its vast reserves, making it an ideal environment for companies like Galiano. Financially, Galiano Gold is in excellent shape for a penny stock. As of June 30th, 2025, the company had cash and cash equivalents of $114.7 million and no debt, which gives it a solid balance sheet and flexibility to invest in further exploration without financial strain. In the second quarter of 2025, the company generated cash flow from operating activities of $35.8 million, income from mine operations of $37.2 million, and net income of 7 cents per share. On an adjusted basis, net income was 8 cents per share, while adjusted EBITDA came in at $39.9 million. This shows that Galiano is not just about potential discoveries, it is already delivering profits and strong cash flow. At a current stock price of $2.54, it remains firmly in penny stock territory, but analysts see upside. Wall Street analysts covering the stock have provided an average price target of $3 Canadian and 48 cents, with a high of $4 Canadian and 42 cents. That represents potential growth from current levels. And given the new gold discoveries and strong financials, many believe the actual upside could be much larger if gold prices continue to strengthen. Looking ahead, Galiano has the potential to increase production, expand its resource base, and deliver even stronger earnings. Hedge funds like stocks with this kind of profile because they provide exposure to tangible assets, profitability, and exploration upside, all in one package. Next up is SNDL Incorporated, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker SNDL. SNDL is a unique, vertically integrated company that operates in two fast-growing industries, cannabis and liquor retail. This dual-sector business model allows the company to capture consumer spending across two resilient categories, and it has been paying off. On July 31st, 2025, the company announced its second quarter earnings, and the results sparked a rally of more than 30% in the stock price. The company reported net revenue of $244.8 million, which was up 7.3% year over year. The cannabis business saw an impressive 17.4% growth, while the liquor retail segment returned to growth as well. Gross profit rose 16.2% year over year to $67.6 million, and gross margin came in at 27.6%, which represented a 2.1 percentage point improvement compared to the same period last year. Perhaps most importantly, the company delivered positive operating income of $5.0 million, which included a restructuring charge. Adjusted operating income stood at $5.8 million, showing that the business has shifted into profitability. While the company's cash flow during the quarter was negative at $12.6 million, largely due to working capital investments and capital expenditures, management made it clear that these were strategic moves designed to support international growth in the second half of the year. SNDL also announced an exciting acquisition of 32 cannabis retail stores from 1CM Incorporated for $32.2 million, a deal expected to close in the third quarter of 2025. This acquisition will expand SNDL's retail footprint significantly, allowing it to capture more market share and improve economies of scale. At its current stock price of $2.48, SNDL remains a penny stock with massive upside potential. Analyst targets reflect this optimism, with an average price target of $3.75 and a range between $3 and $4.50. This represents an upside of over 50% from current levels. Last on our list is Ondas Holdings Incorporated, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker ONDS. Ondas is an innovative technology company focused on autonomous drone systems and robotics for defense, homeland security, and public safety markets. The company has been making aggressive moves to expand its reach and capabilities. Financially, Ondas has been showing rapid growth. In the second quarter of 2025, the company generated $6.1 million in revenue, which represented more than a six-fold increase compared to the same period last year. Its order backlog also doubled to $20.7 million, driven by demand for its Optimus and Iron Drone platforms. The company secured a $14.3 million order from a major defense customer for the Optimus drone system, the largest in its history. It also won follow-on orders from the government of Dubai, a European defense agency, and an Asian government for homeland security operations. These contracts demonstrate the global demand for Ondas technologies. In addition, Ondas has entered partnerships with Rift Dynamics for the WASP drone platform and with Mistral Incorporated to accelerate sales in the U.S. defense market. It also established a U.S.-based manufacturing partnership with Detroit Manufacturing Systems to scale production. These moves show that Ondas is building a global ecosystem around its drone and robotics technologies. At a current stock price of $5.63, Ondas still qualifies as a penny stock by definition, but it has the kind of technology and government backing that makes it highly attractive. Analysts covering Ondas have given it an average price target of $5.20, with a range between $5 and $6. While the official price targets suggest modest upside, the real potential lies in Ondas' ability to secure larger defense contracts and expand globally. Hedge funds are watching closely because companies like Ondas often become acquisition targets for larger defense contractors once their technologies are proven at scale. With increasing geopolitical tensions and rising demand for advanced autonomous defense systems, Ondas is positioned in one of the fastest-growing niches in the global defense industry. Well, that concludes our list of the best rising penny stocks to buy according to hedge funds. We looked at Galiano Gold, a profitable gold mining company with exciting new high-grade discoveries in Ghana, SNDL, a dual-sector cannabis and liquor company expanding its retail footprint across Canada, and Ondas Holdings, a cutting-edge defense technology company revolutionizing autonomous systems and robotics. Each of these companies combines the affordability of penny stocks with the strong fundamentals and growth catalysts that hedge funds love. While penny stocks always carry risk, these names stand out because they have real businesses, consistent revenue streams, expansion opportunities, and Wall Street coverage. For investors willing to take calculated risks, these stocks could represent the chance to turn small investments into significant gains in the months and years to come.